Hi, I'm Wade from Thoroughbred Diesel. Today we're going to be showing you Fleece Performance Engineering's 1994 to 2002 Dodge Cummins Trans Cooler and Line Kit. This is one I was really excited about. We've been asking Fleece Performance to do a transmission line kit for the second gen Dodges for a long time, and they finally come out with it and they've knocked it out of the park. They've come out with a trans line kit for your second gen Dodges equipped with 5.9 Cummins, of course, and they've coupled it with a new and improved larger transmission cooler that comes in this kit as well. So this does work for the 94 to 2002 trucks. And we'll go over some of the things that come inside the kit. Let's start with the trans lines. The trans lines that come in the Fleece kit are 1/2 inch, and these are high pressure transmission line hoses. They've got A&N fittings on them, so really nice hoses. We've seen transmission line kits from Fleece before. You know how good of a job they do with this. You'll notice there's only two lines in this kit. This line kit that comes with the trans cooler from Fleece is going to bypass the heat exchanger. So we will not be using the heat exchanger function with the transmission fluid, and the kit comes with the cap to cap off, or the caps to cap off the transmission ports at the heat exchanger. That's not going to affect anything. If you guys live in a super cold climate and you think that your transmission is depending on this, you may want to stay with the stock setup, but the heat exchanger on those trucks is very prone to leaking, and we have found no adverse effects from bypassing the heat exchanger inside of these trucks. So the trans lines we went over, all of the fittings inside the kit are A&N style fittings, and they're all done by Fleece in-house. It comes with other ancillary items in the kit, trans lines, holders, that just make the installation a lot cleaner. And for you 47 RH guys, you early guys, this is the temperature sensor bung that goes in at the transmission. Fleece has machined this for you, so you still are able to put your trans temp sensor inside of there. And then the cooler. The cooler that Fleece has gone with this has got 20% more surface area, cooling area, than your stock cooler. We actually happen to have a brand new stock cooler. This was for an 01 truck that we had here inside the shop, and you can just see the plates on this and the cooler thickness on this is much thinner than the Fleece one. So you can see the comparison of the two right there. That is where they've gotten the increase in the surface area on the trans cooler. It's just a thicker, more robust. The tank side of the cooler, for lack of a better word, is a lot larger. So it's going to hold more fluid on that side. Overall, this kit, this is really going to be a better mousetrap for the second gen trans lines. It's going to be going on my personal truck, and you guys are going to get a really big kick out of some of the stuff that I've redneck put together to keep my trans lines from leaking. But what we're doing on the truck right now, got a temp gauge in it. We're just looking at transmission temperatures before this, and then we'll compare it to after the Fleece, so we'll be doing an install video on it too. So this is definitely something for you guys. I know if you got a second gen truck and you got automatic transmission, I promise you've probably had some trans line problems. This is a great fix for that from Fleece Performance. So if you have any questions about this or any other Fleece products, just give us a call. Thanks for watching.